Good job, Brian. She was a level-headed dancer on the road to alcohol, and I was just a soldier on my way to Montreal. Well, she pressed her chest against me about the time the jukebox broke. Yeah, she gave me a peck, the back of my neck. These are the words she spoke. Blow up your TV, throw away your paper, go into the country, build you a home, and a little party. Try to find Jesus on your own. So I sat there at the table. You know, I acted real naive, cause I knew that topless lady. She had something up her sleeve. Well, she danced around the barroom, and then she did the hoochie coo. Yeah, she sang her song all night long, telling me what to do.